What's up, guys? So I'm gonna give you guys a little quick review about this Cabelas Shadow Fire Red Dot sight. Haven't seen too much about it, but I'm gonna give you a little quick run around. I haven't put it on my rifle yet, but once I do test it, I am gonna test the abilities on it and the strength on it and stuff like that, see if it stays centered and zeroed in. But here it is here. Already put the battery in there, see how, how it goes by and stuff. I got the intensity level all the way up to 11. So I do have a red car, and it does seem to give you a little difference there. But it looks like it's gonna hold up pretty good. I mean, for what they told me, Cabelas says it holds up to like a 12 gauge, and it stayed zero. The elevation and windage works the same. I do have the specifications. I am going to read them to you real quick so you guys can know what they're about this red dot sight. So it says here, excuse me, let me turn this to the side real quick so you guys can look at it. So the magnification is 1 times. The objective lens diameter is a 21 millimeter. The red dot size is 3 MOA. Eye relief unlimited. Turret click value is 1 MOA. Elevation adjustment range is 72 MOA, 36 up and 36 down. Windage adjustment range is 72 MOA, 36 right and 36 left. And the parallax settings is 50 yards. Mounting height, it's 1.4. Height above the rail up to the optic center. Total length is 2.56. Total weight is 8.6 ounces. The battery uses is CR2032. The battery life is 100 levels to the highest intensity level. 100 hours to the highest intensity level, sorry. And 2,500 hours to the lowest intensity level. Well, guys, let me show you guys the lowest settings. This thing on 11, it looks good, but once you turn this bad boy to 1, you don't even know if it's on. Check that out. Look. Not even know if it's on. I don't know who uses 1, but I'm nobody to judge. But the lens looks pretty good. It looks pretty thick. It looks fine. One thing I did like from it though, it has like tiny little springs in there. I don't know if other red dots have that, but it has tiny little springs. It does have a tightening screw on it. It does weigh a pretty good much, but I'd rather have this thing weigh pretty good, to sustain big old jumps like this, or boom, you drop it here, boom, you drop it there. But we'll see though. We'll see when we mount it on there, go test it out, see how that works. But that's pretty much, I just wanted to give you guys a little sit rep on this real quick. It looks nice too. Nice little engravings on it, little red dye on there, little things here and there. Cabelas is known for, having their own stuff, and they make very good products. I picked this up for about 127 out the door, and it works out pretty good. By the way it looks pretty good. One thing I did read on it, to clean these lenses, there's you don't want to put chemicals. You know how to put my fingerprints in there. They said pretty much to, it is waterproof. Once again, it is waterproof. I didn't say that. Dip it in warm water, and it should just clean this out. And then for the lenses, I have no clue what to use to clean the lenses. I'm pretty much like a fiber towel or something that's soft, But for the price, we'll see though. I could have picked up a Bushnell or something like that for like 80 bucks, but I decided to go with this because I haven't seen this anywhere on the web, on the social media or whatever. But this is the box that it comes into. That comes in, tells you this, tells you that. Yeah, it's a good mechanical piece of work. We'll see though. Once I take it out, start sighting it in, and I start putting some rounds through the barrel. Let's see if it holds up 0. It did say though, like if I range, let's say for an example, I zeroed at 50 yards with 223 rounds. And then once I zero it out and I switch up my my cartridge to a 5.56 rounds, it does throw it off. That's one thing that it did say. But as far as I'm concerned, it holds up to the recoil to a shotgun. It holds up the recoil to an AK-47, as long as you use the same grade and same round. And it does change. I don't know if it's for other red dots. The first time I ever heard that, he was probably just selling me some wolf tickets. But other than that, though, guys, I mean, for 120 something bucks, it looks good. It looks pretty decent. It's heavy. Haven't mounted on my rifle yet, but once I will. And I'll put up a video to see how this thing works out. But have a good, safe day. Remember, guys, it's getting crazy out there. And have a good one.